Why learning JavaScript is essential for your career in tech. One of the main reasons that motivates IT professionals is high demand of JavaScript in the job market. Let's start with the facts. According to the DevSkiller IT Skills and Hiring Report, 72% of companies are actively seeking JavaScript experts. Enter the search term JavaScript on job sites like Indeed, and you'll find over 81,000 job openings in the US alone. On LinkedIn, that number rises to over 110,000 opportunities. Landing a role in a maang company, Google, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Facebook is a dream for many. Nearly all of these tech giants rely heavily on JavaScript for their web applications and services. That's why we started this channel, Fully.js, to empower software professionals with in-depth knowledge of JavaScript and its frameworks. Whether you're preparing for interviews, aiming to build dynamic web applications, or looking to stay updated with the latest in JavaScript, we've got you covered. Our next set of videos will focus on core JavaScript interview questions and detailed answers with explanations. This series will be available in a separate playlist designed to help you prepare for technical interviews and succeed. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Join us on this journey to mastering JavaScript and becoming a sought-after developer in the tech industry.